This is the logic. Data becomes prediction. Prediction improves maintenance and quality, and better maintenance and quality support outcome-based service. And that's where the business model really changes. Traditional service says, we sell you parts, labor, and maintenance. Outcome-based service says, we help you achieve uptime, efficiency, and performance. This is a much stronger promise, but it is also a much riskier promise. If Tetra Pak promises higher uptime, it must understand what causes downtime. Without analytics, an outcome contract is almost a guess. With analytics, Tetra Pak can understand patterns, prevent failures earlier, and price performance more intelligently. So, predictive maintenance is not only an operational improvement, it is what makes the new service model credible.